Christy, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would share a haul video with you guys. These are items that I picked up from the new Lawn Fawn release. So part of the order was purchased with my design team incentives from the Lawn Fanatics Challenge blog team, and the rest of it I purchased at Butterfly Reflections Inc. I did a pre-order, so I got my stuff super quick and I was really excited because I'm dying to start playing with this stuff. So if you saw my post on Instagram yesterday where I was having you guess the two packages that arrived, it was both Lawn Fawn. So sorry to tease you guys, but I just had to have a little fun with it. But anyway, I'm going to set these things aside and go through them one by one with you guys because I got some good stuff to share. The first thing that I picked up was this stamp set. It is the Totally Awesome with these cute little frogs. I absolutely love them. I think they're so cute. I've been asking for like a pond themed set from Lawn Fawn for a long time, so I'm really glad that they came out with this one. I think the frogs are super cute, and I love the little lily pad and the water lilies, and you've got some really great sentiments as well. And of course I did pick up the matching dies. The next set that I picked up was the absolutely adorable Rub-a-Dub-Dub, which features these sweet little ducks. I think they're so cute. This one right here is my favorite, the one that's kind of stretching up. I think he's so cute. And I just love this little bath time scene. I also think these would be really fun to put together with the frogs and do like a whole pond scene together with the ducks and the frogs. But the bathtub, I think you could add so many different critters to that. So there's lots of flexibility with these sets. Really excited about that one. The last full stamp set that I picked up was the Beam Me Up, which features these really cute Martians. I had a great time playing with the astronaut themed set that was in a previous release and doing my first galaxy backgrounds and a slider card. So I thought these would be fun to put in addition with that and mix and match and create all kinds of great boy themed cards since I have all boys. So super cute. Also really great sentiments included in this set as well. Then to go along with that, I did pick up the little mini Lights Out that has the little sentiments that say that your card can glow in the dark, which I think is super fun. I did not pick up the matching dies for this one. I didn't think I'd really need them, so I just grabbed the stamp set. And then, of course, to go along with that, I did pick up the new Glow in the Dark Embossing Powder. I think this will be so much fun to play with. I also got the Slide On Over Semicircles, which would be really fun to use with those frogs and have them jumping around on your scene, but also just lots of other cards. You could use it for a dolphin or all kinds of things. Then I picked up the Bayou backdrops, which will create this beautiful little pond scene, which would be great for the frogs and the ducks. And I also picked up the Peekaboo backdrop that has all these little, almost like a comic book style elements that you can add to your card to create little mini scenes. And then there's all these little flaps that you can also add on, which are really cool. And then the last die set that I picked up was the Quilted Backdrop, which I think is so pretty and could work for so many different cards. This could be wallpaper. It would be great with like florals as kind of like a lattice or something like that. I think this is really gorgeous. Then I picked up two pattern paper pads. I got the Perfectly Plaid Spring, which has these beautiful plaids. So I'll just flip through those for you. Definitely springtime colors. Would look great for Easter cards or just any kind of springtime cards. And I also got the Really Rainbow, which would be great for any time of year. Lots of really great basics and bright colors, rainbow combinations. Very nice. Then the last two things that I picked up were the Prisma Glitter. This was from the previous release, but I saw Kelly Marie use this on the bubbles on her card with the duck set, and I thought that was really, really cute, so I thought that'd be great to have. And then I also did pick up the new glue tube, which I love my Tombow Mono Multi, but I've heard really good things about this. It has a super fine tip, and I guess it's really easy to squeeze, so I thought that would be fun to at least give it a try. So, and I also got a little thanks stamp that Lawn Fawn includes in their packaging. So that's all that I got for my haul. I also do have the Gotta Have Gingham paper pad and the Hey There stamps and dies. Lawn Fawn was super, super generous this time and actually gave the design team, the Lawn Fanatics design team, they handpicked an item for each of us, or a couple items I should say, for each of us to play with before the release came out, so that was really, really nice. That was the first time they've done that, and it was so fun to be able to sneak peek and see those. So you saw in my card most recently that I used those items. So if you haven't seen that, I'll go ahead and link it here. But thank you guys so much for watching. I would love to know what your favorite stamp set or die set from the new release is. I think this whole release was so super adorable. I can't wait to dive in and play with this stuff. So I hope you all have an amazing day. Thanks so much. Bye-bye. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I invite you to go ahead and do that. And you can also click the notification bell if you want to make sure that my videos always end up in your feed. Here's 2 extra videos to tide you over until the next one. Until then, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye.